Don't worry, I got it. I got it? What does that mean? I'm Teacher Mike, and today we're talking about two ways that you can use I got it. One of these you probably already know, but might have some questions about. But the second one I think many of you might not know. So the first one is using I got it to mean I understand. For example, if you ask someone if they understand something, they might reply, "Yeah, I got it." And like I said, many of you probably already know that we can use it this way. But you might be wondering whether this is really correct. Wouldn't it make more sense to say I get it? And the short answer is yes. When talking about something that we understand right now, it should be I get it or I've got it, not I got it. So if someone asks you if you understand something, you can reply, "Yeah, I get it," or "Yeah, I've got it." Both of those are grammatically correct. But again, lots of native speakers do say I got it in this situation, and this is probably just because they're shortening the phrase I've got it to make it easier to say quickly in conversation. So although people will understand you if you say I got it, if you want to speak with more correct grammar, I recommend using either I get it or I've got it. Unless you are talking about the past, then it does make sense to say I got it. And we also use get to mean understand in questions and negative sentences. For example, maybe someone needs help understanding something, so you explain it to them. When you're done explaining it, you can ask them, "Do you get it now?" Maybe you're having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi somewhere, and you see someone who looks like maybe they have connected to it. You could say to them, "Excuse me, do you get how to connect to the Wi-Fi?" Or maybe someone is upset with you and you don't understand why. In that case, you could say, "I don't get why she's upset with me." Now, the one that you might not know is that we often use I got it to mean I'll take care of it. And this is another one where grammatically it really should be I've got it, but in everyday conversation, most people usually just say I got it. For example, maybe your friend tries to give you money to help pay the bill at a restaurant. If you don't want to accept their money, you can say, "Don't worry about it. I got it." Or if someone offers to help you with something, but you don't need their help, you can say, "Oh, no thanks, I've got it." You can also say you've got it or you've got this to support or encourage someone. For example, maybe someone is nervous because they're about to do something difficult. You can say to that person, "Don't worry, you've got this."